Customers first, incredible quality, and affordable to all. At CVF Racing, we've been guided by those three principles since we first started doing business in 2009. And they've enabled us to become what is today the fastest growing provider of premium brackets, pulleys, and engine accessories, and one of the world's most complete selections of Serpentine and V-belt kits, all of which are backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty and the best-in-class customer service. How are we different from our competitors? For starters, we only sell direct to consumers in our hand-selected dealer network. So unlike the competition, we don't have to artificially raise prices to cover margins for a two-step distribution model. All CVF Serpentine systems feature 8 rib belts versus the traditional 6-rib belt. That means 33% more belt-to-pulley contact for stronger grip, less slippage and squealing, reduced tension, and longer life for your belts and accessories. Our C3 ceramic clear coat outperforms the competition's clear powder coat in terms of scratch resistance, chemical resistance, and UV stability. And black bright dip anodizing provides a rich, vibrant color and depth, enhancing the smooth appearance of the aluminum and leaving a brilliant satin finish. We try to cater to as many of our customers as we can. We have V-belt systems for customers working on a budget. Upgrading from that, we have our B Serpentine line, which starts as brackets and pulleys and allows our customers to reuse some of their existing accessories. But we also have all new accessories available as well. Or for those customers going all in, we have our Raptor Serpentine systems, which include the alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, and in most cases, the water pump. You also get the AC compressor manifold and hub adapter included. So when the kit arrives, it's ready for plumbing and wiring. We also manufacture a growing selection of patent-pending 6-axis adjustable billet hood and trunk hinges that make the cumbersome task of setting gaps seem easy by comparison. At CVF Racing, we pride ourselves on delivering customer service that is nothing short of legendary. If you ever have an issue with one of our products, we'll bend over backwards to make sure that you're satisfied.